Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Oh my goodness, I wish that we could go swimming in this pond, but it's way too cold in Michigan. It sure is. Barbara Bumblebee, she has a real dilemma. She wants to go swimming in the lake because she knows that there's no sharks there, but it's just too cold. And I actually have a cool thing that we can do to show you how mammals like whales or manatees or even penguins, how they are able to swim and play in the water even when it's super duper cold. But first, we're gonna put Barbara back on her tractor over here. We're gonna put Larry the llama back over here, and we're gonna read a story by one of my very favorite authors, Mercer Mayer. And it's called Going to the Sea Park. Wow, that's a big ugly fish, isn't it? Should we see what little critter is gonna do? Today, my class is going to the sea park. It has so many fish. Critterville Sea Park. There are little fish. There are big fish. Some fish are pretty and some fish are really ugly. We all go to the petting tank. I pet a horseshoe crab. That's weird. Timothy falls into the tank. Uh-oh, he's gonna get all wet. He meets an octopus. He is not happy. Can you see Timothy? Does he have an octopus on his head right here? Oh no. It would be really, really weird to feel an octopus on your head, wouldn't it? I wish I could meet an octopus. Our teacher takes us to the lunchroom. They sell a swordfish burger on the menu. I want that. We go on a pretend pirate ship. I steer the ship. Bun Bun is scared. Are you scared of pirates? After lunch, we see a shark tank. I would not like to have lunch with a shark. Oh, they look so scary. We see baby whales eating fish. We see manatees eating plants. Next, we go to the seal show. I feed a fish to a seal. No one else wants to. We see Bazoo the orca. We sit in the front row. Can you make a prediction? If they're sitting in the front row and there's a big splash, what do you think's gonna happen? We get splashed with the water. I'm all wet. Everyone brings money from home to buy a gift. Gator buys a seal. Tiger gets a shark. I buy a fuzzy orca. What a great day we had at the sea park. Do you know what the best part was? Getting all wet. Getting wet is fun, especially in the summertime when it's warm. But here in Michigan, it's super duper cold right now. And even if the air is nice and warm, the water isn't, so we can't swim yet. But like I was saying before, there are other mammals and animals that can get wet even when it's super duper cold. Like, what did I mention? A whale or a seal or even a little cute penguin. And so here to show you guys a special project that you can do, a scientific project that you can do, I'm going to show you how you can stay warm even in super duper icy water, okay? So I'm going to have my assistant, Elena, come over and help me. This is my baby, Elena. And Elena, this is what we're going to do. I have this super duper cold ice water. We'll move Barbara Bumblebee's pond over here. And Elena, can you do me a favor. Can you put your hands in the water and tell me, what does it feel like?
It's really cold.
It's really super duper cold? Do you feel the ice cubes?
Oh, yeah.
Do you think that you would want to keep your hand in there for very long?
No.
How come?
Because my fingers might freeze.
Your fingers might freeze, and then you would be like a snowman, huh? We don't want that. So what we're going to do is, we're going to show Elena how if she were like a whale or a penguin, and she had blubber, she would be able to stay in the water a super duper long time. So this is what you're going to need to do this project. You're going to need some ice water and some super cold water, and put it in a bowl that won't leak, okay? And if you do a bowl that's clear, then what can happen is you can see how deep the hand goes in, and you can tell that they really are getting cold and wet, but that it works anyway because they have blubber. Then you're going to use some vegetable oil, or excuse me, not vegetable oil, some Crisco, and a spatula. And you're also going to need 2 plastic Ziploc bags, okay? So Elena, what we're going to do, we're going to turn this inside out, okay? And I'm going to have you put your hand in like a high five, okay? You've got long fingers, so we're going to have you do that. Go ahead and put your fingers together, honey. Thank you. Can you show the camera what it looks like? Great. Now we're going to take some of the Crisco, and I'm going to put this all over your hand. And I want you to tell everybody what it feels like, okay? Because it's kind of fun. It feels weird, okay? So we're going to smooth this out so that she gets nice and blubbery.
It feels like covering your hands in butter.
Covering your hands in butter? That would be disgusting. Is this disgusting?
No, not really, because it's through a bag.
Good, okay. Okay, I'm going to have you go ahead and flip over your hand the other way. We wouldn't want to do this every day because it would be very wasteful, but it's cool for one time to do a project, huh? Okay, a little bit more blubber. We want to make sure that you stay warm in the ice water. Okay, Elena, once I get this all on there, like that, do we have lots of blubber? Think so. We're going to put this back, and we're going to use one more bag, okay? And we're going to turn that bag inside out like this, okay? And we're just going to slide it right over so that hopefully I don't make a mess on me. Oh, thank you for helping me. Okay, so now we've got the bags inside of each other, and I'm going to just squeeze around, okay? And the reason I'm squeezing around is I want to make sure that all of her skin gets covered, okay? Mm-hmm. All right, and now Elena, go ahead and dip your hand in the water and tell us what that feels like. Tell us if it's super duper cold. Do you have all your skin covered?
Just about, yeah.
Okay. What does that feel like?
It's not cold at all.
It's not cold at all? Could you keep it in there?
Only the little pieces of my skin that are
showing?
Yeah.
So you can see how a whale or a penguin would be able to stay warm even if it's super cold?
Yeah.
A good trick that you can also do, you can stick a thermometer in the ice water, and then also stick a thermometer in with the hand, and you can see that the hand stays warm. Cool project, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much for coming and visiting Barbara Bumblebee today, for learning about blubber. And she's super excited. In a couple of months, maybe we'll be able to read a book where she does get to go swim in the lake. Until then, have a great day. Bye. Love you guys.